I know what you're probably thinking. What does intermittent fasting have to do with waking up early? Let me explain. If you click on this video, you probably already know what intermittent fasting is. For those of you who don't know, intermittent fasting is an eating pattern when you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. It does not say anything about which food to eat, but rather when you should eat them. The most popular way of intermittent fasting is the 16-8 method, and this is also the one I'm taking myself. The 16-8 method is that you fast for 16 hours each day and only eat between noon and 8 p.m. Fasting has a lot of benefits which are backed up by science. Many people do intermittent fasting in order to lose weight, as it is a very simple and effective way to restrict calories and burn fat. Despite all the health benefits, the main reason I'm all for intermittent fasting is because of the mental clarity it gives to me. When fasted, I can think clearer and be more productive with my work. Because morning is my most productive time of the day, I hate it when I have a huge breakfast and I'm not able to think clearly and sometimes end up procrastinating the whole morning. With that being said, I will take you through my whole day and show you how intermittent fasting changed my life for the better. After the grooming routine, I started studying and finished all the homeworks from school that needs to be done. Of course, on YouTube, binge watching never hurts. When I started to get a little bit hungry, I go downstairs and pour myself a big glass of water. I found that really helpful for controlling my appetite. Later, I get back to my desk and keep studying until it's noon. Hey guys, it's 11:50 right now. I'm getting hungry, so I'm going to cook. By the way, I did change my clothes off because I'm getting really hot. Weather's really good today. Let's get cooking. And yes, this is my first meal of the day. Though I'm on the cut, I don't typically track my macros. I just do intermittent fasting and take in as much healthy food as I possibly can. After I finish this meal, I will take a break and go to the gym about 2 in the afternoon. See you guys then. I'm about to go to the gym, but I think I'm gonna get my hair cut first because it's getting way too long. So, back with a fresh new haircut. Now it's finally time for the gym.
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping, no. Conquer the obstacle, to the top, here I control, think I'm chosen to be the king of rock, think the people have spoken. I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion.
Yeah, sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock and load. That's right, I swear to God that I could drop you, bro. Yeah, I got a shot and I ain't stopping, no. That's all I know.
Just finished working out, had a really good pump. Let's get home. What is a must-have after a workout? Protein shake. The ingredients for my protein shake aren't that much. Just some milk, protein powder, some unhealthy snacks, and some frozen strawberries. Mix it up and I got myself a nice drinking protein smoothie. If I'm still hungry between meals, I'll go chew some gum. Just like water, I found it helpful to control my appetite, and most importantly, there's only 5 calories. Finally, it's dinner time. I'm not gonna bore you with another cooking B-roll, just gonna walk you through all the things I'm eating. I have noodles, an egg, broccoli, and beef. I top it all off with some sesame sauce. By the way, I don't recommend doing intermittent fasting if you're on a bulk, because you really want to take in as much calories as you possibly can when you're on a bulk. Skipping breakfast can make that even harder. Okay, that is the video, guys. If you think this video helped you out, please give me a like. This really means a lot to me. My channel is all about self-development, so if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys next time on another video.